Hello and welcome to lesson number 2. Today we're going to look at masks. So first we'll need to open a photo, not a new one, an old one, of my good self in Arles at Van Gogh's Hospital, where I'm going to try and brighten myself up a little bit so I'm a little bit more obvious. You'll notice the white shirt, which is very unusual. So first, of course, we always make a duplicate layer so that we don't mess with the original. And then what we need to do is to go to layers in this box here down the bottom, and I think we'll have some curves. So when we choose curves, now we're going to manipulate the picture. So most of the colour is in this region here. It's not too good actually. Right, move this across a little bit and this across a little bit. Brightened it up a little bit already, which is quite good. And we'll grab this and bring it up until I'm looking quite dapper. Yeah, that's quite nice actually. So now I just want now what has happened, of course, is that we've got a general holistic change in what the picture is, but I only want to change me and none of the rest of it. So what I have to do is to mask it. So what we do is, next to your adjustment symbol there is a mask box. Now to make a mask we'll choose a paintbrush, I think, and we'll zoom in a little bit so that we can see what we're doing. Zoom in a little bit more. One more. Okay, it's taking a very old camera, I must say. Now we'll make the paintbrush a little bit smaller. You do that by using the square brackets below the plus sign. So you can make it smaller by clicking on the left one and make it bigger by clicking on the right one. Now about that is probably what we need, and let's see what we can do. Now we need to change this because the mask is white. We need to draw it in black. Okay, so just walk around the edge there. You need to be fairly careful and not do that. I'll fix that up later. I'll show you what to do to fix up going over the lines and things like that. It's quite a nice brush, I must say. In the photo it hasn't pixelated much, so this is quite good. Keeping near the edge, don't go too far over. Get that watch. And the outside. Quite exciting to watch this, isn't it? Alright, so there I am. I'll need to tidy it up a little bit, I think. But we'll see what it looks like first. Go back to the normal position. Get those shoes in. Alright, so there we go. So there's our mask anyway, as you can see. Okay, so now I've in fact changed it exactly the opposite to what I want. So what I need to do is to do the inverse. So I press Control I, and there we go. So there I am. You can now see me. So that's what we got, that's what we had, that's what we got, that's what we had, that's what we got. Now, I might just zoom in and look at tidying it up a little bit. So, I need plus, and let's just see what we got going on here. Remember, if you do anything like that, you just press Control Z and you will be able to undo anything. Get rid of that. Now there's something going on down here. So we use the eraser in this case, so you choose the eraser from over here. We'll need to swap the colours around, I think. I want to be drawing some black on there. Okay, so that's the wrong way. So of course we're taking away white. Yeah, that's much better. So I'll tidy up that edge. It's alright. Let's check the other side. A little bit there. Don't like.
The show is on.
Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So let's go back to fit on screen, and there I am. Okay, so that's how to use a mask. So obviously what has happened is that's without the mask. I've changed, made adjustments to the photograph, and then because I only want to see one part of it, I mask everything else. So I put the mask on, and there it is. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you for chapter 3 very soon. Bye now.